Alright, so this is gonna be my day in the life of a YouTube window cleaner video. Woke up this morning, totally forgot to film, so I had some Greek yogurt and granola for breakfast and some coffee. Had limited creamer left, so didn't get to drink all the coffee I want. This is where I always wash all my towels. Letting them dry right now. This damn dryer we got. Check this out. So we have white buttons over here, great buttons over here. We got this washer and dryer. It got totally screwed over by the company that we got it from. Really pisses us off. And this washer was broken day one, so it's brand new. And they even drew an amazing S for us on top, so that was great. Maggie. Maggie. Good morning, Maggie. Good morning, Maggie. Oh. Lily's always scared of the camera. So my whole entire garage is a freaking mess. This is my side of the garage where I packed everything when we moved, and it's just been a mess. I was supposed to take care of this Thanksgiving weekend, but then I had to go put up Christmas lights at Alex's aunt's home, so we chose that over organizing the home, of course. So my garage is not the most organized. I'm not the most organized person, to be quite honest with you. So you see that, like, right now, this is not our like shop for window cleaning. Our shop is at Jim's house. That's where everything is really organized. He's a lot better about organizing than I am, so it's just always been a fault of mine with school and everything. But like, I got Christmas stuff out here, Christmas box. That's my thing to keep that blanket right there is to keep the Xero Pure warm at night. It's this little blanket. We just live in a beautiful, beautiful area. I do not like to brag, but I love Colorado. I mean, you cannot get the views, at least from how I feel, you cannot get the views that you get in Colorado anywhere else. Oh. So this is actually going to be my work truck or work van here in a little while. We just ordered another van a little bit ago. That should be here late December. This is Jim's creation. He's just expertly organized this whole entire van. He had some of the shelves put in, but he put in that, put in a lot of stuff here, and it's just awesome. I mean, if you guys want to upgrade from a truck to a van, this is the way to do it. So this Tacoma was his one of his first vehicles, I believe. I know he had a vehicle before it. That thing's awesome as well. But the van, I'll show you guys a little bit about this. So like this thing right here, this pole allows you to unlock the ladder rack up here. So you take this, hit that clip right there. You put this in there, turn that, and the whole ladder comes down. Alright? So that whole ladder comes down like that, and then you undo this clip right here, push right here, ladder comes down, and you take the ladder off, of course, put it up the same way, like that, clip that back together from around here. I always see these on a lot of like cable trucks and stuff, and then you just pull this back like so, unclip that, and your ladder is always extremely secure. I thought I'd show you guys just a little bit of where I live at by the eyes of a drone. So one of the things you may not know about me is that, let's get it going here, I love Christmas. So every year, right after Thanksgiving, oh, of course it's commercial, for this channel,
$1,000, that's fantastic.
Yeah, well, we're happy and proud.
101.1 plays Christmas music the whole season, and it's my favorite. Got my Starbucks. Here comes Alex with her Starbucks. She's all ready to go for the day. Well, she's so mad. I got a grande triple peppermint mocha.
You're not allowed to record
What did you get, Alex?
You're not allowed to record me. I didn't sign for this.
Alex didn't sign the consent form. Caramel frappuccino with an extra shot of espresso. And lemon pound cake in a plastic wrapper. Yummy. Alex is having a caramel dilemma. Caramel's all over her frappuccino. Done with this job yet, and Alex always leaves us. She always just leaves. Store's not even open. Alfredo's still cleaning, and Alex is gone. This is what she does. She says goodbye, see you guys later. I'm watching Window Joe live. Window Joe, he hopes everyone's doing well. Some roofs aren't very safe to be on, so always have a pole.
Are they cleaning up nicely?
I don't know. We'll see. Always have a pole handy for roofs that suck. This roof line, you won't be able to tell by camera. It's a little shitty. I usually won't stand on things like this, but these windows are really dirty, so you can't water fit. If they're really dirty with the pole, do that. This is what's really nice about bronze wool pads and not using steel wool anymore. You can do this. That's on my friend Squeegee. This home is a $1,592 home, and we'll get it done in an hour. I don't know about you guys, but that's a lot of money, right? Like, shoot. We're just doing crazy good. Look at that. This made like $100. Freaking crazy. Well, we just dropped off Alfredo at King Supers. The day is done. We ended with 2 bids. One for a large glass atrium area and partition and balcony glass. It was like $1,000 for quarterly cleans or something. And then a $3,000 bid for 200 panes of pretty good hard water. So we'll see if those come through. But now we're off. What do we usually do when we're off, honey? Gotta go home. Let out the crazy dogs. Let out the beast. The creatures. And then tonight we have bowling. Thursday nights we always have bowling. That at all though.
Yeah.
So it kind of is one of those things where it is what it is.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
If you're doing a day on a live recording, might as well get you pumping the gas.
Yeah. So yeah, come. Fuck it.
Gotta press the button.
Real life is I cuss a lot, but I do not cuss hardly in any videos. Isn't that true?
Yeah.
Try to keep it out. It's hard. I'm a foul mouth.
Say goodbye to your friend Molly
Molly, bye.
on the show.
Sometimes you see people out from high school, especially because I grew up in this area, but then they don't remember me anymore because I look old. Very rude, girl.
How's your armpits today?
Oh, I forgot deodorant this morning.
Are you stinky?
Smell. Does it smell bad? You guys want to smell? Oh, yeah.
Our old apartment.
Lily, where are you? Lily's always scared. Maggie! Maggie! Come on, come here. Oh, Maggie! Maggie! Oh, Maggie's such a good girl. Lily! Lily! Come here, Lily! Come here! Come here! Oh, Maggie! Maggie is jealous. Yeah, Lily. You're jealous. Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, you got the camera. I don't know if you can see him very well with this camera because the GoPros don't do well at night. But these are my Christmas lights. Got my tree, the porch, the gutter. This strand is missing blue. But then there's blue on half of it. That's what happens. I know it's not very professional as in Christmas light guys, but I think it's pretty cool. Hopefully you can see us. We're done with bowling. We all bowled wonderfully. I got a 950. Alex got a 1,030. Yeah. But we're gonna end it here. We're gonna go home and go to bed. So hope you guys have had fun. And
We didn't really feel that.
we didn't bowl very good. We're lying. Talk to you later.